What's the meaning of bossa nova? Bossa nova. Bossa nova.
Bossa nova. Bossa nova. Bossa nova is a genre of Brazilian music that emerged in the late 1950s. The term translates to new trend or new wave, and its style incorporates elements of samba, jazz, and classical music. It is characterized by a relaxed, rhythmic feel and often features subtle harmonic changes and intricate melodies. Bossa nova became popular worldwide in the 1960s and has influenced many contemporary musicians. Its enduring popularity can be attributed to the genre's infectious rhythm and carefree spirit, making it an ideal soundtrack for relaxation and enjoyment.